Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put your face in a corner in any tutorial video with CapCut. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process there. So here you go, I'm on my computer screen and as you can see, I have got two files. One is my talking head video in the timeline and the other one is my screen recording. So now let's say after a certain part of the video, for example, from here, I want my face to be placed in the bottom right corner. So let's do this. To achieve this, I'm going to click here on our talking head video. And after that, I'm going to split it by using the split tool. And after that, obviously I have to select this clip for sure. And after that, I have to scale it down. And then I'm going to position it to the right position where I want this image to be placed on. And after that, I have to go here under video, then go to mask. And then if the mask option is not selected, simply select it. And after that, click on add mask. And then you will have options to add circle, rectangle, and other shapes. So I'm going to go with circle. And after that, click on the command or control based on the device and then drag it right here to position yourself nicely inside the circle. Let's say I'm happy with it. So now if I play the video, here we go. I've got the circle placed right here. Now, let's say after a certain part of the video, you want your face to show again in the big screen. So I'm going to click here. And after that, I'm going to split the video. And then I am going to select the video. And after that, from here, I'm going to remove the circle or the mask. And then I can simply copy the attributes from here, from the first part, and select this clip and paste the attribute from here and click on paste. And here you go. I have got full setup now. So from here, we have got our face into the right corner, right bottom corner. And here we have got the full talking head video. Before I round up the video, one more feature that I'd love to show you is, let's say in a certain part of your video, if you want to move your face from the right corner to the left corner, you can do that as well. So simply, first of all, what you have to do, you have to create a compound clip like that. And after that, you have to split the video again if you want to do it easily. So here you go and get your face like that. So this is going to be too rough. So if you want to make it smoother, you have got other option as well. So here you go, from right to the left. Now, if you want to do it in the smoothest way, so simply you have to go to basic. And after that, you have to take a keyframe from transform and then select a portion of the video, click on transform again, and let's position it to the place where you want to place, right? So now if I play the video, you can see, so depending on the space, it is going to be faster or slower. So let's play the video now. Here we go. So this is it. This is how you can put your face in a corner of your video and how you can move it around. And I believe you have found this video helpful. If you have got any question at all, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to check out my other CapCut tutorials. The link is given in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.